snow, let it snow.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I am super excited. Do you know why? Because it's the holidays. The holidays are soon approaching and I'm just in the Christmas spirit. You guys, I'm just so happy. I'm just blessed and I'm excited for this video. You guys, as you see from the title, today I will be making a beautiful smoothie again with my wonderful portable blender from BlendJet. You guys, I can't say enough about this blender. I love it. It's so convenient. It blends up my fruit in 20 seconds. Unlike the BlendJet one, it doesn't leave me with a lot of clumps when I'm blending my smoothie. Last night I went to Walmart and I went in the frozen department and I decided to get some frozen fruit. But when I went over there, I happened to see this. Now, this is new to me. I don't know how long it's been in Walmart because I barely go in Walmart now. I don't go as much as I used to. But I seen this, and it was $1.58 in my local Walmart. You guys, I had to pick it up because it is 8 ounces, which is one serving for one person. And it has mango, bananas, apples, pineapple, and spinach in it. And these are mainly the fruits that I like to put into my blender when I'm making a smoothie. Outside of the strawberry, which I like strawberries in my smoothies. But this is the green fruit and vegetable smoothie. They also had a red smoothie with cranberries. It had other things in it, I think like dragon fruit. But I wanted to get the green one because, like I said, these are mainly the fruits that I eat anyway, or that I drink my smoothie with. But of course I had to get it so that I can show you all how it works with the BlendJet, you guys. So I'm about to cut it open, and I have water today to use as my base to get it, you know, loosened some so it won't be as thick and smooth to make my beautiful blender with my BlendJet. So let's get started. Now, some people have said, I thought you had to, sorry. Some people, you can pour your liquid in first, or you can put your or you can put your fruits or whatever inside first. But what I like to do is put my fruit in first. And with this particular bag, I'm going to use the whole thing because it said so. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks in the inside. As you see, the spinach and everything is in the inside. And it's, like I said, this is 8 ounces. So, yeah. So I'm going to pour in my bag. I probably do a few at a time. I'm going to pour my water. About 12 ounces, 14 ounces. Okay, now I'm going to put my top on. Let's blend this bad boy up. Okay, 20 seconds. So you guys, this actually made 14 ounces. I don't have it all the way to the top. I'm going to blend it one more time. So first, before I blend again, let me show you guys. You can pulse the BlendJet blender. Watch. Look at that. If you want to pulse it some more. And that's good for when you want to chop up onions, if you want to make, you know, some kind of salsa and you want to chop it up. You guys, that is good for that, to pulse it. Alright, okay, I have a little bit left in here. What I think I'm going to do is blend that as well. I'm going to get me my cup, pour it in my handy dandy cup, And you could drink out of this. I've seen someone say turn it upside down. Take the blender part off. Okay? And then make sure your top is on there good. And you can drink it like this. Oh, yes. So, you guys, this can also be your cup when you finish blending it. Only thing you do, like I just did, you turn it upside down. You screw it off. You turn it upside down. And it could be your cup. How cool is that? How cool is that? You can get your straw, or you can just drink it like it is. And that's how it's looking inside. Very good. Very nutritious. But, of course, I couldn't leave you guys without giving you a little discount. Let's get started on that. So, you guys, of course, like I said, I do not want to leave you all with, of course, a code, a discount that you can put in whenever you go and order your BlendJet, your own personal blender that you can take anywhere you need to go, hiking, office, work, school, wherever you need to go. It's really great for students that may be still on campus at school. You guys, it's very, very affordable. It's very convenient. And I say it is worth the investment. It is very worth the investment to just have something you can blend up on the go. It doesn't get better than that. So, you guys, as you know, Christmas is fast approaching. The holidays are here. And, you guys, sometimes you just don't know what to get someone for Christmas. Well, let me tell you, BlendJet 2 is the perfect gift to get someone for Christmas. And like I said, I do have a code for you guys. Yes, if you use my code FruitFix10, which I'll put on the screen here, FruitFix10, you can get 10% off. But since the holiday is approaching, you guys, BlendJet is also giving additional discounts. So you may want to head over to BlendJet.com. Go ahead and see what they got. Put in my code. And if you order more than one, you will get more discounts, you guys. It doesn't get any better than that, you know. I stand by BlendJet 2 because I really love it. I stand by BlendJet, period, because I've been with them since they had the BlendJet 1. BlendJet 2 just came out in October. And it's been doing really, really well. A lot of people really love the BlendJet 2. It's really fast, very convenient. Like I said, you can pulse, as you've seen, you can pulse your blender. You can lock it whenever you are, you know, packing it in your backpack or your purse. You can lock it so that it will not blend while you're on the go. It's very good, you guys. So, like I said, please use the code and get your discount. Who don't want a discount? Get your discount today. Put that code in, get your discount, and you'll also be helping me out as well. Get your discount, and if you get more than one, you will get additional discounts, you guys. But anyway, I will put all that information down in the description box. And as always, you guys, I hope you have a blessed day. I hope everyone is staying safe and being careful out here. You guys, I love you. I thank you so much for my new subscribers coming over to subscribe to my little old channel, watching me do reviews on things that I love, me on my weight loss journey, or just my life journey, period. I just thank you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to check out the description box for the information. Bye.